Hello my dear students, welcome back to our today's mathematics class. We are continuing the activities in joining thousands. Today's first activity, deposit. The bank deposits of Babu, Nafia and Johnny are 1420 rupees, 1580 rupees and 1605 rupees. Sitara's deposit is half the sum of the deposits of Babu and Nafia. Children, how can we find Sitara's deposit? To find out this, at first we have to take the sum of the deposits of Babu and Nafia. Then we have to take its half. How much is the deposit of Babu? 1420 rupees. How much is the deposit of Nafia? Yes, 1580 rupees. To find out their total deposit, add 1420 and 1580. 1420 plus 1580. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 8, 10. Write 0 here, 1 is the carryover. 4 plus 5, 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0 here, 1 is the carryover. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 1, 3. 3000. Next, we have to take half of 3000. Because Sitara's deposit equals half of 3000. To make easier, we have to split this 3000 as 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. Next, we have to take half of 1000. You all know that half of 1000 is 500. So, 500 plus half of 1000, 500 plus half of 1000, 500. 500 plus 500 plus 500 equals 1500. So, Sitara's deposit equals 1500 rupees. Next, we have to find the deposit of Bindu. Bindu's deposit is 120 rupees more than the sum of the deposits of Johnny and Nafia. So, at first we have to find the total deposits of Johnny and Nafia. Then add 120 rupees with the sum of the deposits of Johnny and Nafia. How much is the deposit of Johnny? Yes, 1605 rupees. How much is the deposit of Nafia? 1580 rupees. Total deposit equals 1605 plus 1580. 0 plus 5, 5. 8 plus 0, 8. 5 plus 6, 11. Write 1 here, 1 is the carryover. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3185. Next, add 120 rupees with 3185 rupees. 3185 plus 120. 5 plus 0, 5. 8 plus 2, 10. Write 0 here, 1 is the carryover. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is here, 3305. Bindu's deposit equals 3305 rupees. Who is next? Tahira. Tahira's deposit is equal to the sum of the deposits of Sitara and Bindu. So, to find out the deposit of Tahira, just add the deposits of Sitara and Bindu. Deposit of Sitara equals 1500 rupees. Deposit of Bindu equals 3305 rupees. To find out the deposit of Tahira, just add 1500 plus 3305. 1500 plus 3305. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 3, 4. 4,805. Tahira's deposit equals 4,805 rupees. Children, can you say whose deposit is the most? Among these, which is the least amount? Yes, 1,420 rupees. Who deposit this amount? Babu. So, whose deposit is the least? Babu's deposit. Next, whose deposit is the most? Children, among these, which is the most amount? Yes, 4,805 rupees. Who deposit this amount? Tahira. So, whose deposit is the most? Tahira's deposit. Children, did you understand this activity? There is an exercise for you. You have to do this in your maths note. Today's class is over. Thank you.